Y'all, good morning. It's the start of our new vlog. Oh, stop. Oh. Hey. You guys, this is a one night only. We're here.
I'm in airplane mode, I don't need no drama. Everybody know I ain't about that drama, oh yeah. Oh, look at what I started. I'ma tell you right now, I plan on chillin' so hard right now.
Y'all, good morning. It's the start of our new vlog. We're going on a bestie birthday trip for Luckii.
You're right. I'm about to say.
Anyways, so yeah, we at the airport, y'all, but I'm kind of scared because Tanisha been sending me all these crazy ass motherfucking stories and links.
Tanisha knew not to send you that shit.
But anyways, so I'm gonna make the best of this. We're about to go through TSA and let's see what's going on. So TSA ended up being clear, and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So boom, now we in the lounge. iPhone, you gotta do it that way instead of the other way.
Why you got it so close?
Girl, if I go far, people gonna be looking.
They're looking right now.
Look what you almost made me do.
It's
actually not that bad. It's really hot.
My God. That's why you had to get yours from the back.
I know the egg ain't gonna taste like that.
I'm just cheese and egg.
Well, I put salt and pepper on mine, but it's not bad. Oh, this gonna do it right here.
It's good?
It's good to know. What you be saying? It's good enough.
That's what your mom be saying? I can eat it.
Okay. We're gonna tune back in when the bartender come back. Alright guys, so Tanisha, she wished that. Look, but we made it. We made it here fast. We got 2 hours to turn up.
We got here super fast for it to be a government shutdown.
The bartender ain't here yet, but as soon as he get here, we can put him to work. Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Punta Cana. Yeah, we had a bunch of shots in there. I forgot to even record them. Alright y'all, so we at the airport, and so I just gave Luckii the goose chase. We got us a little scavenger hunt we gotta do. We got a bunch of missions we gotta complete. But like this, it's a lot. It's some crazy stuff on here, but I know Luckii can get the job done. I know she can. So Luckii, just pick a random one and read it to the people.
Drunk. Recorded We Outside confessional video together at 2 a.m.
Now pick another random one.
Okay, talk that talk.
One. You ain't supposed to just read it.
Talk that talk.
What?
Talk that talk. You said pick a random one.
Okay, we'll click and read it.
You said don't read it. Now you telling me to read it?
No, I told you not to read it. You're supposed to pick a random one. You going to the next one.
Get someone to teach you how to say you're fine in Espanol. Then use it immediately.
So she gotta use it on somebody. It's like a flirt line. We get real active. We get active.
Get someone to say we love DR on camera in their accent. An African accent.
It don't matter. It gotta be accent.
You talking about fish? You take a picture of some fish. Piggyback. Have a stranger give a teammate a piggyback ride.
She can get it done. She can get it done.
I can get somebody to give her. Photo, a license plate which has all numbers.
That was an old one. I just edited it.
Okay. That one, that's a little, you gotta think about it. Up and away, take a picture with the flight attendant. What's wrong with you?
That was from the old one.
Friendly, hug a security guard.
That was a new one.
Go DJ, you request a song with the DJ. I'm gonna be requested. So God.
They gonna find you.
Shantia. Up in arms, get a photo of your arm wrestling a friend or a stranger.
We did that one in summer.
Geese fly together. Get as many people as you can to take a video flapping their arms like a flock of geese.
That's gonna be a funny one.
Record a get ready with me together and rate each other's look 1 to 10.
That's gonna be fun.
I like that one. Leo, take a picture with the law enforcement officer.
Princess Kiss, read that one.
Princess is get a man to kiss you on your hand like you're a princess. I don't like people lips.
It's just gonna be like, that's why it's gonna be on your hand.
Sleep, catch a teammate passed out. Okay.
That's easy.
TikTok, you do a TikTok with a stranger. Dang, I only know like the Lord, I need you now more than yeah, you take a video with the horse. If they got horses out there.
Socialize, that's a good one.
Ask a cute guy to take a photo of you, then ask him to get in it. Oh my god.
That's gonna be cute. That's gonna be cute.
Snap a pic blowing a kiss to someone who's staring too long. Compliment a fine man and walk away before he replies. You know how they be like, you're beautiful. I walk away. Drink it up. You have a stranger buy you a drink. That's easy. Upgrade us, get us into somebody's section.
That's
We do that easy every time. What's in your pocket?
We can't hear you.
Get a condom from a stranger.
That's easy.
Nah, cause they gonna think like, oh, what you trying to do?
Not for you. Not for you.
Go topless at a beach is crazy.
Yeah.
That's for you.
No.
No.
That's for both of us.
No, cause
No, we was just kidding, you guys.
my
We
thing
don't
gonna
do
say
that. But yeah, so that's just the sum of it. That's not all of it, but yeah. All right. Okay, we made it. Punta Cana, Dominican mama. Okay, y'all, so we made it to Punta Cana. Lucky's getting her food because she be free. But we gotta go find us an Uber. We running short for time. It's 1:05. We gotta be at the dock by like 1:45 to get on this boat. We cutting the clothes, but we finna do it. She need to come on. Luckii got a spot to be late to this boat party because she want to keep peeing. Hola, papi.
they gotta make a hustle.
Okay, y'all. So Luckii don't want to run because she think we made it. So we better have made it. But I'm hungry, y'all. So hungry. Alright, y'all. So we made it. The boat and I here. We at this restaurant. My friend about to get us some food. Look at the menu, y'all. So we made it to the beach. We at this nice cafe. I'm trying not to cuss. Nice restaurant. Say hey, Luckii. Okay. Yeah, we don't order us a little calamari because we need something in our system. Because we finna turn up. Okay. Check the feet. Come on, Luckii, gotta check the feet.
In front of all these people while they're eating? Oh, they're looking at your ass here.
Alright. Luckii said,
sit down.
not now.
Some fries.
I know, but yeah, this is what we got, y'all, to work with. Alright, y'all, so apparently we on this little boat, and this little boat gonna take us to a big boat. Yeah, I'm ready to go immediately. She trying to lay it down. Not on this one. She trying to focus, y'all, so she don't get sick. So the next couple clips are just gonna be us enjoying the white boat party. It came with a welcome drink. Just copy them, copy them. Got right your stomach. Now swim, swim. Yeah. 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 Hey. Leave me, Taylor.
Recorded. There you go.
What was that?
That's right. If you're having a good time, well done. Get reckless, get crazy, get reckless, get crazy. Hey, 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 where your waist go? Hey, where your waist go? Where your waist go? Where your waist go? Where your waist go? Hey. Shake it. That's right. When you feel good time, the full long time, are you ready? DJ, hey. We still have 3 hours left on this boat party. Relax. Are you ready? Let's go! Dance to the world! Ay. Hot walk, baby! Let's go! Post up! Why you racing? Post up! 5, 4, 3, 2. She's a criminal! Yeah, so basically me and Luckii was just having the time of our life, and this song got copyrighted, so I had to take it out. But yes, they did let us bring our own bottles on the boat. They did have free liquor on the boat, but it was like rum juice. And I do not like rum juice. I don't really like a lot of sugary stuff. So yeah, I had my little tequila bottle. I was taking my shots. I was passing out shots. Like, we was just having a ball. But the song that's blocked right now is DeVito With You. That song where they be like, ooh, but yeah, we was really like We was getting drunk. When I tell you, we cut up on this boat so bad. Y'all. The promoters took us home because they was like, y'all was lit. But yeah, we needed to ride home. But anyways, yeah. This is like one of the most latest boat parties I had ever been on. I plan on going to Afro Nation and not Punta Cana, in Portugal. That's the real Afro Nation. So yeah, I'm gonna see them again.
What they saying? Luckii smash, you know what they say.
Tell him. Hey, what you win? Hey, are you ready? Welcome to the White Sensation Pool Party. We're here for a good time, not for a long time. So fellas, have yourself a partner, let's go. Who we tell him? Hey! Everybody! Come on up, baby! Do it! Everybody! One more time now! Come on up! Hey! That's right! Guys, we made it to Punta Cana! That's right! Let's fight! I'm on a baby! What? I'm on a baby!
So in the middle of the boat ride, they stopped at this area where a lot of boats was at, and you can get off the boat, you can go swimming, and so that's what we did.
I'm just saying. I'm trying to zoom. Now she's very lucky. Pierre is funny.
I told you, Bacana is better. Bacana.
You got her. I told her. With my motherfucking car. It's a ball. We had to go back to our boat before it left us, but we low-key want to stay on the McKenna boat. But our boat was still lit though. But yeah. Show me some. You over here singing. Show me some. Get in there. I just made it. Hey. going to do our scavenger hunt, and one of the days
No, he said he gonna do it.
tissue on her hand, which he already did, but I wanted it on camera. And so we asked him to do it again, and this man licked her hand. Lord have mercy.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, so basically everybody was drunk at this point, and them dudes started getting really aggressive, and it was a little bit too much for me and Lucky, so this one dude said he was gonna protect us. Yeah, so basically the group of dudes that I was hanging with on the boat, I didn't know they was all friends, and I was dancing with all of them, and then one of them got mad and was like I was his girl, and he basically told me I had to choose.
You said I gotta choose?
What do you say?
Oh, you know him too.
I know everybody.
Y'all too popular for me. A little bit.
Même pas, moi je suis de ton côté, j'entends, je me dis. T'entends. J'ai les oreilles sont pleines de merde. Dans le beau. La question qui tue, ça c'est la question, ça vient d'où? Comment ça faire mon bien? Baiser.
Kiara chose.
Die sofa bed.
So the adventures
En met de habits.
and we don't
One
know
sofa
where
bed
we
here.
are.
Oh yeah, that's calm. Yeah, we're just gonna top and toe, we're going to share. Yeah, it's alright, we'll figure it out.
How many showers y'all got?
You want the shower?
You breaking stuff.
You break this I can listen to you all day, I know that sounds so bad. Say something else. Right, I mean, Ziz, you got bed? What? You got an extra bed?
It's crazy because we want to listen
I
to
don't
all
know.
that.
We can't find it, that's why.
But you're more country, so they want to hear you.
You gotta take out one of your.
I like listening to you too, don't stop. Like, you're right, that's something. You're on my side. Bad time. Fuck it up.
Y'all need to get in the shower.
No, you're right. Yeah, I'm gonna do that first. Y'all need to get in the shower.
Immediately.
Yeah, go ahead and let me see your outfits. I can rate it.
Yeah.
She sounds American. She sounds like if I had to like think of American.
Yeah, that's American.
You know what I mean? Like, whereas if
If you want to come to the hood,
down
come
south,
here.
you know what I mean?
know her name. What's her name?
I don't.
What's my name?
Say my name. Say my name.
Keisha.
She got like 3 names.
Are you serious? Your name's Keisha.
Keisha.
No, Big Keisha. She was saying Big Keisha.
So
Keisha.
big Keisha,
Yeah.
and your name is
one.
Lucky.
Lucky, as in like lucky number 7.
Her name ain't Lucky.
Lucky number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Can I record you saying that? Can I get a voice note of like Lucky's that ain't not taking play? Yup.
No, my Canada friend, that's how they be acting.
Serious?
talk?
Okay, so
Yeah,
it's not just
they
me.
think that
then.
shit's so funny.
No, I don't think. Listen, I'm in love. I could listen to you all day. I'm genuinely like, it's smooth, like it's nice to listen to.
It's funny, but like y'all low key picking on me.
No, it's not funny. Like
They like how you talk.
Yeah,
They want to hear you
seriously.
talk all the time.
It's like,
I admire your accent.
and I admire yours.
Thank you. If you felt like I was insulting you, I'm sorry. I'm genuinely.
No, I really don't care. I really don't care. I'm not gonna lie.
No, but thank God I like it so.
Lucky hates her.
I really don't give a fuck.
I like it.
Hey, whose accent?
You hate our accent.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you don't like it. You love
No, her family lives there though, so
Oh.
she has.
She
it
said
too.
they're from Madrid. They're from Spain.
Oh, that's.
It's a neighborhood in London.
There ain't no Madrid. I would have heard it. She would have heard it.
What she said, Madrid. What accent you talking about?
Broski.
Bro,
Bro, he said that's how y'all talking to myself.
From Broski.
Cock up and bad, you miss pretty or who this pretty? I'm in the most that she cock up and bad. You miss pretty or who this pretty? Make it.
Welcome to our Airbnb, you guys. This is a one night only. We're here because we're partying with like the best people in the world. And yeah. Oh, they have water here. Oh my gosh. Oh, this was the bathroom he was in earlier. Not the washing machine is in the bathroom. Where's the light? Can you turn on the light?
That's the Wi-Fi password.
But basically we got back to the house and Luckii got in the bed and she didn't want to get back up, and we were supposed to go back out. The promoter was supposed to pick us up and take us to the all-white after party, but they never came and got us, so we just stayed in for the night. Luckii was so aggravated with me. I was trying to get her up, but yeah, so this was the end of our night. Oh, thanks for watching, you guys. Heart. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Bye for now.